The Eleglide C1 is built to go further, ride smoother, and deliver unmatched efficiency for city commuters and long-distance explorers alike. With its advanced mid-drive motor, long-range battery, and rider-focused design, it's the perfect blend of performance, comfort, and reliability. At the core of the C1 is a 250W mid-drive brushless motor, engineered for optimal efficiency and balance. Delivering 70 Nm of torque and up to 432W peak power, it provides superior climbing ability, smooth torque distribution, and reduced rolling resistance compared to hub motors. With a regulated top speed of 25 km/h, it ensures compliance while still offering powerful assistance on demanding routes. Fueling your ride is a 16V 14.5Ah 522Wh lithium-ion battery, offering an impressive range of up to 150 km in pedal assist mode. Fully removable for convenient charging, it gives you the freedom to cover extended distances, whether for daily commutes, fitness rides, or weekend adventures, without worrying about range anxiety. Riding comfort and control are enhanced by 27.5 inches by 2.25 inches wide pneumatic tires, which provide excellent shock absorption and grip on both paved and uneven surfaces. Paired with a 7-speed Shimano derailleur, the C1 gives you smooth, reliable gear shifting, letting you adapt easily to varied terrain. The bike's hydraulic suspension fork with lockout technology ensures a customized ride. Lock it for efficient speed on smooth roads or unlock it for comfort on rough trails. For maximum safety, the hydraulic disc brakes deliver stronger, more consistent braking power and heat dissipation compared to mechanical systems, offering greater control and durability. Riders stay fully informed with the intelligent LCD display, showing speed, distance, and battery level at a glance. It also lets you switch between 5 pedal assist levels, 12 to 25 km/h, and engage the 6 km/h walk mode for convenience in crowded or steep areas. Every detail is designed with rider comfort and safety in mind. The adjustable stem allows you to fine-tune handlebar height and angle for the perfect riding position. Meanwhile, the STVZO certified headlight ensures road-legal illumination, bright enough to enhance visibility without dazzling others, making your night rides safer and more responsible. The Eleglide C1 27.5-inch electric bike redefines urban and recreational cycling with its powerful mid-drive motor, extended 150 km range, premium suspension, and safety-focused design. Whether tackling your daily commute or setting out on long-distance tours, the C1 is engineered to keep you moving with confidence and comfort.